We use a little with non-countable nouns, such as milk, marmalade, money, time, bread, or cheese. We use a few with countable nouns, such as bottles of milk, jars of marmalade, dollars, or minutes. Look at the difference between a little milk and a few bottles of milk. When we count bottles, it is something we can hold, something we can touch, and something we can count. But if we say we have a little milk, we cannot count milk as a substance. Here are some examples. He has a little money left. Money is a non-countable noun. However, if we're looking at dollars, we must use a few. He has a few dollars left. Let's see if you can show your understanding by answering some questions.